Hello, welcome to my channel where we bring you the best tips and ideas for enhancing your outdoor space. Today we have an exciting topic for all you garden fountains and ponds. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this video is packed with valuable information to help you create a beautiful oasis right in your backyard. So let's start our video. First and foremost, garden fountains and ponds add undeniable ethics appeal to your outdoor space. They can transform a dual garden into a paradise. These features create a peaceful atmosphere, providing a tranquil escape from the stress of everyday life. The sound of flowing water has a smoothing effect that can be beaten. Additionally, garden pots are a magnet for wildlife from birds to frogs. You will witness a whole ecosystem flourish right before your eyes. Consider the ideal location and size of your fountains or ponds. Fountains or ponds, it should harmonize with your garden overall design and not overwhelm the space. Choose between a classic fountains, a koi ponds, or a combination of both. Each type has its unique charms. Set a budget and select appropriate materials. You can go for cost-effective options on high-quality materials for longer lasting features. Start by digging the area for your pond, ensuring the depth and shape you desire for fountains. Prepare the base. Properly waterproof your ponds or fountain to prevent leakage. Liner and circular for maintaining water levels. Install a reliable pumps and filtration system to keep the water clean and maintain a healthy ecosystem. Your garden fountain and ponds are almost ready, but there's still some work to do. Enhance the surrounding with landscape and carefully chosen plants. They not only beautify but also contribute to a healthier ecosystem. To ensure your garden oasis remain pristine, regular maintenance is key. We will share some essential maintenance tips. Now you have learned how to transform your garden with fountains and ponds. Remember, the key is careful planning and a bit of elbow greases. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.